Imagine holding a fiery red stone in your hand, vibrant, glowing under the sunlight. To the untrained eye, it's a ruby. But what if I told you it's not? And what if that tiny mistake could cost you over $1,000? Welcome to the fascinating world of natural spinel and ruby. Two gems so similar, they've fooled kings, traders, and modern collectors alike. In this investigation, we'll peel back the layers of both stones. Not just visually, but geologically, chemically, and historically, to uncover a deception as old as gem trading itself. Because one of these stones, though less known, is often rarer, more durable, and sometimes even more valuable. Throughout history, some of the world's most iconic rubies were in fact spinels. Take the Black Prince's ruby set in the British imperial state crown. Not a ruby at all, but a massive red spinel. Mistaken identities weren't uncommon. Medieval traders used color and hardness as identifiers, leading to centuries of wrong attributions. The science of gemology didn't arrive until much later, leaving room for this million-dollar mistake to flourish. Ruby, a variety of corundum, ranks a 9 on the Mohs hardness scale, only second to diamond. Its red coloration is caused by chromium impurities, and true rubies have a glow that feels almost internal. A rich, velvety fluorescence, especially noticeable under sunlight or UV. Ruby is associated with passion, royalty, and courage. Fine rubies from Myanmar or Mozambique can fetch over $10,000 per carat. But here's the twist. Spinel, while chemically different, forms in similar geological conditions. Natural red spinel has often been confused with ruby due to its similar hardness, 8 on the Mohs scale, vibrant red tones, and optical brilliance. But spinel's crystal structure differs. It's cubic, unlike ruby's trigonal structure. This gives it a unique kind of sparkle, more like a diamond scintillation. And here's the kicker. In many cases, spinel is actually rarer than ruby, especially the pure, untreated, neon red varieties from places like Mahenge, Tanzania. To the naked eye, telling spinel and ruby apart is nearly impossible. But not if you know what to look for. Inclusions. Rubies usually show rudal silk, needle-like inclusions, while spinels are cleaner, with octahedral crystal inclusions. Fluorescence. Rubies fluoresce strongly under UV light. Spinels? Not as much. Luster. Spinel often has a more glassy, open sparkle, while ruby's luster feels denser and softer. Here's where things sting. A 2-carat untreated ruby can be worth $4,000 or more. The same size spinel, even if rarer, might sell for $300 to $700. Unsuspecting buyers chasing cheap rubies on marketplaces or roadside stalls often end up with spinels mislabeled as rubies, and they're none the wiser. Or worse, they overpay by thousands. So next time you see a vibrant red gem twinkling at a market or in a jewelry store, remember, beauty can be deceiving, and the gem that looks like royalty might be an imposter. But don't count spinel out just yet. When last we left off, the war between spinel and ruby was heating up. On the surface, they look identical. Vibrant reds, gemstone-grade clarity, and historical allure. But what if we told you that even major collectors and auction houses have once misidentified one for the other? Let's now pull back the curtain and step into the gemstone world's most expensive illusion. To the untrained eye, spinel and ruby might look like twins separated at birth. But zoom in microscopically, and the truth begins to show. Spinel crystals often form in an octahedral structure, unlike ruby's hexagonal prism. Under magnification, spinel is cleaner, more transparent, and generally free of the needle-like inclusions, called silk, that rubies naturally host. Rubies contain rudal needles, aligned in patterns, giving them a soft, glowing effect known as asterism. Spinel lacks this feature, which might seem like a drawback, but it's exactly this clean interior that makes spinel such a deceptive rival. Some gemstone experts even joke, if it's too perfect to be a ruby, it's probably a spinel. Let's talk money. A flawless ruby can fetch prices north of $1 million per carat, especially those from Burma. Meanwhile, even a large, clean spinel of the same visual quality might be priced under $5,000 per carat. Why the massive gap? It comes down to perception and branding. Rubies have centuries of royal marketing behind them. Spinel, on the other hand, was often dismissed as an imposter. But this stigma is changing. Modern buyers are realizing they've overlooked a gem that is not just beautiful, but rarer in some colors. Auction houses have started labeling historic rubies as spinels. The Black Prince's ruby in the British imperial state crown, Spinel. The Timur ruby, engraved with Persian script and owned by Queen Elizabeth, also Spinel. For centuries, monarchs wore spinels thinking they were rubies. If even empires got it wrong, what chance does the average buyer have? The tides are turning. Over the past decade, spinel's value has quietly exploded. Demand is rising, particularly for vivid reds, neon pinks, and cobalt blues. While rubies dominate the limelight, spinels are becoming the connoisseur's choice, the gemstone for those who look beyond the label. Gem dealers in Sri Lanka, Vietnam, and Tanzania are reporting spikes in spinel exports. The once overlooked stone is gaining momentum in both high jewelry and investment portfolios. So could spinel eventually rival ruby in prestige? Absolutely, especially as supply chains for fine rubies shrink and ethical sourcing becomes more critical. Spinel, found in fewer locations, is often more naturally conflict-free. Now here's where it gets dangerous. Unsuspecting buyers often walk away from spinels in antique markets, assuming they're glass or low-value stones, and on the flip side, they sometimes pay ruby prices for what's actually spinel. This $1,000 mistake isn't just theoretical, it's happening globally. You could find a spinel ring labeled as a ruby in a local shop or a family heirloom sold for pennies on the dollar. That vibrant red ruby pendant passed down for generations, it might be spinel. Without gemological testing, it's easy to be fooled. But here's your edge. Spinels often fluoresce under UV light, but not always in the same way as rubies. Real rubies, especially those from Burma, glow with a vivid red or pink hue. Spinels may show a dull red or none at all. Also, a thermal conductivity tester will give you a distinct reading between the two, though not always definitive. Want to hunt these stones yourself? Spinels are often found in metamorphic rocks, such as marble and gneiss, particularly in gem-rich zones of Sri Lanka, Myanmar, and Vietnam. They're also sourced in places like Tanzania, where some of the world's most intense reds and blues are found. Rubies, on the other hand, are usually found in marble-hosted deposits in places like Mogok in Burma and Luquen in Vietnam. If you're looking for natural clues, marble, mica schists, and calcite veins are all signs you might be standing near either stone. However, spinels often emerge in more naturally preserved environments, less fractured and less chemically treated than rubies. This gives them the upper hand in clarity and raw brilliance. You might think spinel is all about red, but that's just the start. Rare cobalt spinels shimmer with an electric blue that even sapphire can't compete with. Lavender and hot pink spinels rival fancy-colored diamonds, and orange spinel. It's so rare that many collectors have never seen one. In fact, one of the rarest gemstone colors on Earth is blood orange spinel, often mistaken for garnet or fancy sapphire. It's so scarce that when it appears, it can command prices higher than its red counterparts. This versatility makes spinel a sleeper hit for investors. You're not just buying one gem, you're buying a full spectrum of opportunity. Here's the million-dollar question. If you're standing at a jewelry counter with two stones, one ruby, one spinel, what do you choose? If your goal is prestige and legacy, ruby still reigns. It's the red gem the world knows by name. But if you want value rarity and unrecognized beauty, spinel is your move. In today's market, spinel is the underdog with explosive potential. Its scarcity and fine quality, lack of treatments, and growing global demand make it one of the most exciting investment gemstones of this decade. And when you hold a fine spinel, glowing like a shard of pure color, you'll understand why some gem experts say, spinel is the truth, ruby is the legend. So what's the lesson? Don't let labels deceive you. In the gemstone world, it's easy to chase names and ignore quality. But the real power lies in knowledge. Knowing the difference, seeing past the myths, and valuing the stone for what it truly is. Whether you choose the prestige of Ruby or the quiet brilliance of Spinel, the key is awareness. Because a $1,000 mistake isn't made in the gem, it's made in the decision. Look closer, study harder, and the next time someone hands you a glowing red stone, you'll know what questions to ask. This is EGS Pro, where truth shines brighter than myth. If you've made it this far, you're no ordinary viewer. You're a gem hunter in the making. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more breathtaking battles from the hidden world beneath your feet. Until next time, keep your eyes sharp and your knowledge sharper.